What? My gosh. Good morning. It's our day 4, I think, here in Norway. Get dressed with me. Also, I will now address my eyes kasi for sure magtatanong kayo kung okay lang ba ako, umiyak ba ako, may pinagdadaanan ba ako. Answer is I'm okay. These are just my allergies. Hindi ko rin alam. Feeling ko dahil maalikabok yung bedside table ko dito sa hotel. And I don't know, my nose is so stuffy kaya magarin yung mata ko. Bihis na tayo, of course. Susutin ko muna yung thermal ko. Watch my previous Get Dressed With Me. I mentioned that we flew from Oslo to Narvik. So right now, I'm in Narvik. We arrived here around like 4:30 p.m. yesterday. And sobrang dilim na. I'm gonna show you guys like our view. So sobrang dilim. It's currently 7 a.m. na. Pero wala pa ring araw. Tsaka there's snow. Today, our activity naman sa tour is just a train ride. It's a scenic train ride from Narvik to Björkliden. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, pero ito yung place. And since it's snowing and the current weather right now is -5 degrees, I am going to double up my thermal sa legs kasi lamigin talaga ako sa legs. For my top naman, I don't think I'm gonna wear 2 layers of heat tech because yung top ko is cashmere. I got this from Uniqlo. It's just a black turtleneck sweater. Look like si Gru from Despicable Me. I'm sorry, ang pangit talaga ng angle. Medyo malit lang kasi yung hotel room. But this is how we're looking so far. Talaga super nakaka-pretty magbihis pag winter. For my bottoms naman, I have this wide-legged leggings that I got from Oysho. Grabe na yung bosses ko. Pinili ko tong leggings na to when we were in Barcelona. Oh gosh, parang hindi na siya kasha kasi namin ko layers. For my jacket, dito ako super na-excite. This is actually from a local brand. And feeling ko magugulat kayo pag sinabi ko, but this is from 8th Mermaid. And yes, it's an 8th Mermaid yung bikini brand. Bumili ako ng dalawa, isang white and isang black. Pang ski actually to. So feeling ko it's perfect for this weather and feeling ko perfect din siya pang aura-aura sa train kasi fur, ganon. Pachorizo ng very light yung sleeves. Pero kebs, like, hindi nyo ma-appreciate yung suot ko kasi yung ilaw. Pakita ko na sa inyo pag may araw na sa labas. For shoes, I'm just gonna wear my snow boots again. These are also from Oysho. Okay, this is how we're looking. Wait lang. But this is how we look like so far. Need ko na kasi bumaba for breakfast. I think another agenda namin today is we're going to an ice hotel. And I'm so excited kasi I just saw that from like pictures before. And now makikita ko na siya with my own eyes. Thank you, Lord. I will show you guys the outfit in better lighting later. Bye! Love, love! Magpapakilala sana